Okay, so first of all, go to sources, click on add source, click on display capture. From here you want to add the game or the window you want to stream, select OK, and from here you want to add your monitor, click OK. After that, go to file, go to settings, go to stream, select the service to YouTube. After that, click on connect account. Make sure to choose the YouTube account that you want to stream on. Now we have to give access to OBS to manage your YouTube account, so click continue. Now go to output, you want to select the video bitrate, so to make sure to choose the right bitrate, make sure to measure your internet speed, so go to your browser and then type internet speed test. As you can see, I have like 8 for upload. From there, you want to go to Streamlabs article, as you can see here, from 3 to 10. You want to stream on 1080p 60 fps and the bitrate between 3000 and 9000. So go back to OBS. Select the bitrate to, I'm going to put it to 8000. For the video encoder, I'm going to leave it like that. Click on apply and then click OK. Now go to audio. Make sure your right mic is selected and then go to video. If you have a bigger resolution monitor, you can just modify it. I have a suitable monitor which is 1080p, so it got detected automatically. After that, click OK. Now you want to go to controls and then click manage broadcast. From here you want to name your broadcast title. You want to customize. After that you want to customize your stream based on these features, based on your preferences. Once you finished, click on create broadcast. Click on your profile icon top right corner and then click YouTube Studio. Go to content and then go to live. And as you can see here, stream is set to upcoming, and what you want to do here is hover over it and then select view in live control room, and as you can see here is the stream properties. And now you are ready. You just go back to OBS, go add a new monitor if you want, and you just have to select on start stream. If you find this video is helpful, make sure to subscribe and see you on the next one.